people who are average, which are probably most of us, with a little bit extra focus, slightly more focus, slightly more work, not big work. We're not talking about the difference between you prospecting 3 hours a day and 6 hours a day. We're actually talking about the difference between you prospecting a half an hour a day and 3 hours a day. Because most people don't. Do you get it? How about your scripts and dialogues? How much time do you spend finally learning the scripts and dialogues? Finally. You know, week after week I tell you the same story that my first listing was a for sale by owner, and the first listing I took, and that was almost 40 years ago, probably more than 40 years ago now, was on commission split. They didn't want to pay 6%, go figure. Isn't that wild? So what's one of the objections on a for sale by owner today? They don't want to do what? They don't want to pay the commission. Well, that was the same objection 40 years ago on my very first listing. Very first listing, they didn't want to pay the commission either. Interesting, huh? So I wrote down here, to do your best is achievable by anyone, yet the majority of folks never do their best. Interesting. To do your best is achievable by anyone. Did you hear what I said? Anyone can do their best. Anyone can do their best today. The key is you can do your best every day over time, and amazing things happen, even from average people like me. Do your best every day over time and watch what happens.